is what we have here today.
Jesus Christ!
Yo, what we have here today is brake check, road rage, bad drivers, and instant scammer. So if this is your first time to be on my page, yo, you can subscribe and like the video. So let's keep going.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Yo, that bicycle overtakes so bad. Yo,
其實買嘅地方佢阿媽可以自己揸車坐車過去嘅。Oh shit!
Oh, what happened?
The guy ran the red light.
Oh my God!
Uh-oh.
喺邊度趕走咗啊
The guy, yeah, he ran away.
Oh, shoot!
bro.
Ay!
Puta, ¿qué pasó? ¿Y soy ya sabe quién es?
Yo no sé quién es.
Yo, this is so dangerous. Like a loose tire, bro. A loose tire. I have once seen a loose tire damage somebody so bad in their house, bro. Very bad.
Jesus!
Bro, how can you get in a lane like that? It's a reckless driver on 427 northbound changed lanes at the last minute, cutting in front of me without warning. Yo, that is so bad, bro. You know, when you are driving, always make sure, bro. Always make sure that, you know, to protect yourself and protect the other people on the street, because if you do not value yours, other people value their own life, bro.
And they still just kept going.
That's something that I'm fresh to reporting right now. So we answer to that question. It's kind of yes and no. There's good and there's not so good and
I need to ask right now, with regard to my condition, I have a seizure.
And she goes, "Your tubing cleaning, is that gonna, get the carpet all black around it?" And I go, "No, the only thing black here is my heart."
Oh boy.
And she looks at me for an uncomfortable.
Good job, sweetheart. Good job. They say everyone is safe, but the close call is a powerful reminder of how quickly life can change in an instant. Bro.
Oh my.
What the hell? Wait, was that driver drunk or was he sleeping? Say a reckless driver make a circular turn at an intersection, colliding with the pickup truck in front of me. Yo, and fled the scene. And he did not even wait, like try to know if he have caused any damage. He just took off like that, bro. Was a good thing that you have to chase him, like at least have his numbers license at least. Some people are just impatient, bro. I know maybe that driver might run a red light, but like, yo, you should have been patient at least and wait for him to pass. Say a crash was captured at a four-way stop sign at North End, West Bar AV in Jersey City. Yo, the incident highlight the importance of caution and attentiveness at intersection. At least you should have waited for him to pass, even though maybe he run a red light. What? A drunk lady cut me off on a bicycle path. They proceeded to blow through every stop sign. Some people are unbelievable recklessness.
Fucking hell.
Yo, bro, late.
All the colors.
Yeah.
And yeah, like I said, I don't know what they are. Oh,
Bro,
Look, I signed on his birthday.
it's probably not the smartest things. Nah.
Were you conscious of the fact you were painting that fantastic picture with a picture? Yeah. Fuck. Were you conscious of the fact you were painting that fantastic picture with a picture? Yeah.
15, 14. Oh. Hi, Bixby. Yeah, idiot, all right.
We'll find out. What do you mean, hey? We'll go down.
No two people learn the exact same way. So how did that work in the award-winning language learning? We thought of you all of you. Take Sierra. As a visual learner, she uses values learning. Keith is a be in the room with real people kind of learner. So he loves live online classes with our language experts.
god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That
Oh my god. He's taking off.
Want to go chase him?
No.
If you have a life-threatening emergency, hang up and dial 911.
You're gonna get it. Fuck.
He has a gun.
Oh shit.
Babe, he has a gun. Get out of here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Baby, he has a gun. Oh my god. Baby.
Oh shit.
Babe. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's so close.
Oh my god. Oh my god, please, there's somebody shooting over here. There was a wreck.
At 4th and Bridge.
Oh my god,
they're shooting people.
4th and Bridge, there's a guy with a gun.
Is that the intersection of 4th and Bridge?
It's a 4th and Bridge, yes.
Okay. And they're in a car or what?
There was 2 different people. One guy had an AK-47, the other guy was shooting with a pistol.
Hang on here. What color was the vehicle, Dean?
Gold.
It was gold.
Gold or tan.
Oh my god.
A gold what?
Gold or tan vehicle. I couldn't tell the
It was like
make.
it was like a truck.
Okay.
A truck. I think, I don't know. It wrecked right in front of us. We have the dash cam, but they started shooting. They're shooting people over there. There was a car. It didn't move. I don't know if they shot anybody.
So was that the intersection though of 4th and Bridge?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How long ago?
Just
now.
We were pulling over to help check the people that got hit. We got it on video.
Okay.
Well, we got some of it on video, so.